Hello friends, this is the very good chart given in my book about the financial ratios in the financial management chapter of our commerce accounting and our business books. So we are going to overall discuss about these ratios in depth, and we you will, after this video you will get to know about each and every ratios of the financial management. Now, profitability ratio. What does this profitability ratio is basically concerned about? The profitability ratio is basically gives an indication of the efficiency with which the operations of business are carried on. What does this mean? This profitability ratio is basically concerned with the overall development of the business, how efficiently the business is carried on its part of the getting profit and getting expenses, etc. Now, activity ratio. What does this activity ratio is basically means? Activity ratio is basically concerned with the how efficiently the capital employed in the business is rotated in the business. The difference between profitability ratio and activity ratio is the profitability ratio gives overall indication of the business, and the activity ratio gives indication about the how well the capital employed in the business is rotated in the business. Now, financial ratio. This financial ratio alternatively called as solvency ratio as well. This solvency ratio is basically means how sound the business is going on, how well the business is going on. The solvency ratio is basically of two types. One is long term solvency ratio, and how this solvency ratio is basically of two types. One, long term solvency ratio, and second is short term solvency ratio. The difference between long term and short term in financial management or accounting chapters is basically a 365 days difference. Long term is concerned with more than 365 days, that is 1 year, and short term is concerned with below 365 days. This is a basically assumption as per the accounting terms in the accounting chapters and financial management chapters. Now, we will discuss this all this ratio in the next topics, because this we will discuss in depth about this what does this ratio tells about. So kindly follow up with my videos, and we will come up with the next videos regarding all of these ratios. This is the overall analysis of how financial management and what does this profitability, activity, and financial all solvency ratio works. And